Hello everybody. Today I standing here. I want to show you that your lock is now safe for every family. For every day, usually you will lock your door just to use your one lock, right? But usually that is not safe. Come with me. I will show you the lock. Look. Usually your family's lock it will look like this. Look, this is diagonal lock. The reason why I say this, I will show you if you only lock one lock, that is not safety because I can open it. Now I will show you this. Look, actually I have already locked it. You can't open it, but if I just use one card, I can open it. Now I will show you it. This is usually a normal card. I use this card to open it. Look at it. You just put your card inside and just move it and slide it. And be patient. Okay, you got it? Just open it. That is very easy. So if you want to make sure your family is safe, please use this lock. Our life, this mistake, this fault, you will very easy to make it. So please remember, when you leave your home, when you lock your door, please lock to double lock. The first is the under lock. The second is the up lock.